Hey everybody, it's Adrian and I am eating a corned beef sandwich. Got a Reuben here, y'all. And I've been wanting some corned beef and I got one. Yeah. So let me show y'all what I got. It's steaming a little bit, y'all. Got some corned beef right there. And I put some Swiss cheese on there. Right there, y'all. And it's kind of melted on there. Oh, shit, now a whole piece of meat done fell. Look. Might as well eat that, right? Oh, yeah. Got some mustard on there. Nice and tender. And they gave me some sauerkraut here. See that? Good. And I got a pickle. Oh, it's really seasoned well. It's really good. Okay, guys. Hope everybody out there is doing good. Here we go. Actually, they gave me 2 pickles, I see. Little kosher pickles. So I'm going to just set them over here to the side. And I got some grape, sugar-free juice in here. Should have got some ice, too. But I didn't. But anyway, guys. Remember when I said I was going to be keeping a cat eye on my guy? I've been doing that. And y'all, you know what, y'all? It just ain't in him. You know, he been trying, but not trying, y'all. And you know what? I'm just gonna say this on his behalf. He tried when I say something, you know. He tried when I say something, y'all, which means that it's not real. You know, it's just not real. You know. I know he loved me because when I say something, he on it. He try. He just try. His little heart is y'all. And it's cute. And I guess that's why I let him stay. And you know why I stay too, guys. Because he try. But it just ain't in him. You know, he just ain't made that way, y'all. He ain't the attentive, romantic, affectionate type. That's it. So either I'm just going to stay with this nigga or not. And so far, y'all, it's been 4+ years. So it must be something. And it is. But yeah, y'all. That's all I can say. You know. That's all I can say. Because before this here video, y'all, I was in his ass again. Like, nigga. Because he talking about he want to eat some. And I was like, I can't tell. You know. I said, so what you want me to do? Go in the bathroom, get it cleaned up, and come back and just bust it open? And he like, yeah. And I'm like, no. You know, that's not what it do. You know, that gets boring. Spice that up, you know, dude. Romance. You know, I said, dude, when was the last time I got some flowers? Roses, a hint. Okay. Yeah. So then he just didn't want to hear the shit. So he went in the bathroom and closed the door, turned the water on and stuff. Knowing he was, well, he knew I was right. He didn't want to hear the shit. So he just turned the shower on and shit. Oh, I love sauerkraut. It's good. Anyway, y'all, I'm talking so much. Y'all know how real shit get, though. Put some of this on here, y'all. I really should eat it on the side. You know that? Yeah. It's gonna fall off anyway. But I took this piece of bread off because there's a lot of bread. So I guess the cheese is on here because it's already melted on there, y'all. But then my mustard on this piece, damn. Shit. That's too much bread. Okay. What am I? Oh, fuck it. Oh. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna work this shit out. I'm gonna work it out. Anyway, he in the bathroom pretending like he wasn't listening, so he come out the bathroom, right? But before he went in there, y'all, mad, he was like, well, I just ain't gonna ask to eat you no more. I said, I don't care. I said, dude, if you notice, I ain't been asking you to do it any damn way. And he went in the bathroom pretending like he wasn't listening to me, but I'm sitting at the table just talking. That's what I do. I'll talk. But he pretended like he wasn't listening, right? So when I get through talking, I'm just sitting there. He come on out the bathroom. Come and get his jacket. Don't say anything to me. And go right out the door. Walk right out the door, y'all. I bet he going to get some flowers. Yeah, I done messed this damn sandwich up. Look. Trying to... What the... Man, don't forget it. I'm just gonna... Fuck it. Anyway. Y'all can see him when he come in. The door right there. I set this shit up accordingly. See what he come in with? See, I'm looking outside so I can see when he coming. But I'm about to turn the camera off, y'all, because y'all know my duration time is only 15 minutes, so I'm gonna turn it off when it get to 10 minutes. So when he getting ready to come up in here, I'm gonna turn it on so y'all can see him come in. See what he come back with. And don't get me wrong, y'all. He just gave me some money before. I'm taking this bread off. I ain't crazy about bread, y'all. I'm just really not. So this meat is good though. It's nice and tender. Got a little fat on it, y'all. You know I like a little fat on my corned beef. But it is good and it's seasoned well. It's damn good. Damn good. I know y'all probably think this lady is nuts, right? It's okay. This be real life shit, that's all. Y'all know what it's like. Oh shit. Stop. Okay, y'all, he coming. Okay, y'all, let me turn it. Okay, hold on. Okay, y'all, here he come. Let me get so y'all can see his ass. Here he come, y'all, here he come. I'm gonna pretend like I'm eating. Now see what he got. I'm recording. Better hide your face. You don't want to be seen. What you got? You on here now? What you got? Turn it off. I'm recording. I'll turn it this way. Or I'll turn it over. I'll turn it over this way. Recording. Now recording. Now. I'm recording. But it can't see you if you come from wherever you are. I can't see you now. They can't see you. It's if you come from where it's the camera can only see the front door. It can't see you from where you are right now. I was just finishing my corned beef sandwich that you bought for me. Or making a mess of it, really. It's got a lot of bread. I have to take some of the bread off. Kent, you might as well come on, bring me my flowers because my audience, me and my audience, already knew you was finna bring some flowers. Didn't we, audience? Come on, give them to me. They can see now. See y'all. We doubled it up. Look at that, y'all. See? Oh, they are pretty. Oh, thank you. This is like a 2 dozen. It's 2 dozen. Oh, it's pretty. They're very pretty. Look, y'all. This is a real big surprise, ain't it? Thank you. So, guys, on this note, I'm going to end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.